Discover how to seamlessly import and assign external learning content like Udemy courses through Tenneo LMS. This quick tutorial walks you through the complete process, from importing to publishing and assigning external content to learners.
The first step is to open Tenneo LMS and click Learning Management. Scroll down and click External Content. The External Content Curation dialog box opens, then search for the desired content to import. Click Search. Scroll down and click on the content you want to import, then click Import. Scroll up and click Import to LMS. Under the Learning Management drop-down, select the Content option. Enter the name of the imported content, then click on the Search option. Scroll left and click Edit. Click Content Information. Click Publish as Course. Click Add New Launch. Scroll down and enter any keyword. Now select the topic. Scroll down and click Save. Under Learning Management, click Assign Learning. In the search column, enter the name of the course. Click Search. Scroll left and click User to assign it to the learner. Select the user. Scroll down and click Select. Click Superadmin. Select Learner. Under Select Type All, click External Content. Scroll down and click on the course. Click Play. At last, it redirects you to Udemy.
That's it! You've successfully imported and assigned external learning content in Tenneo LMS. Empower your teams with seamless learning. Like, subscribe, comment your favorite course.